basically I need to replace this cons with these two parts here, that is f cons, and replace nil with nil. Okay? Yeah. So let's call it map with a double P. Takes an f and a list. Okay, so that's the function, the f that we're going to map on the list, and the list on which we're going to map it. And now here I'm going to call in this machine called boldWrite that does constructor replacement. I'll leave that for now. Remember that we started at nil, so that this is the bit, replace, that's this bit here. What are we going to replace this with? That. Okay? We're going to do that on list. Okay? All makes sense? Now this bit here is going to be, so given the head and the other side of it, of cons, so the two parts of cons, I'm going to call f on A and cons that to B, I think that's right. Okay, so replace cons, so remember cons takes two arguments, here's its first, here's the head, here's the tail. Replace cons with the function that takes two arguments, but before putting the head onto the remainder, put f on that first and then cons it. Okay, so that's what that expression says. All makes sense? And I've just defined a function here in GHCI. Now I'm going to call it. I'll add 20 to each of these. Okay? Should be a 2 there. Yeah. Okay. I can only see the 1. Alright, so I've defined this function here, map, that